The Getaway Company is a fabulous little company that puts together tours for like-minded individuals.
The Getaway Company has been great here in Greece.
The Getaway Co. is a great vegan adventure.
The Getaway Company for us is quite an interesting concept.
The Getaway Co. is a curated vegan experience.
The Getaway Co. for me, honestly, is a blessing.
Getaway Co. is confidence building.
The Getaway Co. is phenomenal. I've had a fabulous time. Everything has been wonderfully curated.
The Getaway Co. is travel without the hassle of travel.
The Getaway Co. is a group of my new closest friends.
The Getaway Co. is a stress-free holiday experience.
The Getaway Co. is one of the best things that's happened to my life.
The Getaway Co. was amazing in helping us to live an experience of traveling vegan with no stress at all. No stress at all. No stress at all.
We bring a bunch of people from all different countries in the world to a different location in the world. And it's such an interesting experience because everybody immediately has something in common.
Καλώς ήρθατε στην Ελλάδα. Welcome to Greece.
Piecing together all the archaeological sites of Acropolis.
Okay, round one, question two, my friends. Okay. Straight to jail. Or a fall. That's true, let's see hands. B, we have a winner.
We do.
We have a winner, it's Carissa. Congratulations.
Food is all about nostalgia. Food is all about memories and culture and family.
Today we're gonna do tour of the south. The first stop is gonna be the Red Beach. Tomato fritters, it's my grandma's recipe.
Every meal we have, I'm like,
This is my favourite meal so far. And we are gonna make souvlaki.
Cheers.
Right?
Yes, to you and your wonderful cooking demo. So I just wanted to say a huge thank you again for being here. It's been such an amazing week.